We're going to take a look at some of the auditing tools that are in Excel. These are kind of helpful if you received a spreadsheet that somebody else created and you need to make updates to it. Lets you see basically different cells that are used in formulas. So we're going to activate cell B8. And then we're going to go into our formula tab. And the auditing group is over here on the right-hand side. And we're going to click on the Trace Precedent button. And basically, it's showing you the cells that are used in that sum function. And then once you look at that, you can remove the arrows so you don't have to see them anymore. And then we're going to activate B14. And we're going to click on Trace Precedents again. Now, this is the one that uses the results of another formula. So if we click on Trace Precedents a second time, it will show you that. Because cost per unit is a formula using total cost and standard production. And the result of that is used in selling price. And you might be thinking, well, could I click it another time because there's cells that are used in sum? Yeah, you should. You should be able to do that. So this actually is the result of 3 different levels of results. Now we're going to click down here on B14 and we're going to trace the dependents. Now these would be cells that are dependent on the result there. And that would be the one that we put into our 2-variable table. And we can go ahead and remove those arrows. And quite often formulas are printed out for auditing purposes. And there is a show formula button here that you can turn on, and it will show you the formulas. Now this is a toggle, so clicking it a second time turns it off. Another option is to press Control and back apostrophe. And the back apostrophe is in the upper left corner, kind of on that same key as the tilde, right below your escape key. So you can press Control and back apostrophe to toggle that on and off as well. Okay, and at this point, we'll go ahead and save, and then you can close.